Hello everyone, hello sir. I'm Tejas Ambhore from section 14. This is my first DIY project. My roll number is 20MF10006, and this I have made using the Autodesk AutoCAD 2019 software. This is basically a trophy, and I'll show you the 3D view. This is the trophy, and then I have made this using two parts. First one is the stand, and the second one is the football up there. This stand part is mostly used using the loft and extrude feature, and then I have curved the edges using the fillet tool. This was first created some rectangles and the rectangles above and then extruded them up, and this was created using the loft feature. Circles and circles of different radius, and then use the loft feature here. Then I have created a depression on the top of it so that I could fit the football correctly inside here. And then this is not actually a sphere. This is made using pentagons and hexagons. The pentagon was kept on the bottom plane, and then I lifted up the hexagon by certain degrees and then rotated that using then created an array, so and then replicated the part and then just kept it on the top and joined the part so that I could get the perfect football. And now I exported the STL file here. As their dimensions was big, so I have reduced the size to 20%. And from here you can see the fan 0.1 mm. Layer height I have kept 0.1 mm, and the wall thickness and thickness is around 0.2 mm. So the build plate temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. Print speed here is 60 mm per second, and now we'll slice the object. So as you can see, it is of 17 grams, and the time taken would be 6 hours and 28 minutes. And we'll preview it. So yeah, this is how the material will be filled, as you can see from top to bottom, the lateral view. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching.